Hi folks, my name is Raju. Welcome to my YouTube channel Data Raj. Today I am going to give introduction about Python programming language. Python is a general purpose high level programming language. Python was developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989 while working at National Research Institute at Netherlands. But officially Python was made available to public in 1991. The official date of birth for Python is February 20, 1991. The name Python was selected from the TV show The Complete Python Circus, which was broadcasted in 1969 to 1974 in BBC channel. Guido developed Python language by taking almost all programming features from different languages. Functional programming features from C, object-oriented programming features from C++, scripting language features from Perl and Shell script, modular programming features from Modula 3. Most of the syntax in Python derived from C and ABC languages. Python supports both functional and object-oriented program. Where we can use Python? We can use Python everywhere. The most common important applications are for data analysis applications, for machine learning applications, for developing artificial intelligence applications, for developing desktop applications, for developing database applications, for developing web applications, for developing games. Everywhere we can use Python. Internally, Google and YouTube are using Python. NASA and Network Stock Exchange applications developed by Python. Top software companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM, Yahoo using Python. Features of Python. It is very simple and easy to learn. The Python is a simple programming language. When we read Python program, we can feel like reading English statements. The syntaxes are very simple. Only 30 plus keywords are available. When compared to other programming language, we can write programs with very less number of lines, hence more readability and simplicity. We can reduce development cost and project cost. Free and open source. We can use Python software without any license and it's a free. Its source code is open so that we can customize based on our requirements. High-level programming language. Python is a high-level programming language. Python is high-level programming language and hence it's program-friendly language. Being a programmer, we are not required to concentrate low-level activities like memory management and security. Platform independent. Once we write a Python program, it can run on any platform without rewriting once again. If you write code on Windows, it will run on Linux and Mac. No need to write code again and again. Internally, PVM, Python Virtual Machine, is responsible to convert into machine understandable form. Portability. Python programs are portable, that is, we can migrate to one platform to another platform very easily. Python programs will provide same results on any platform. Dynamically typed. In Python, we are not required to declare for variables. Whenever we are assigning the value, based on the value, type will be allocated automatically. Hence, Python is considered as dynamically typed language. But Java, C, etc. are statistically typed languages because we have to provide the type at the beginning only. Dynamic typing nature will provide more flexibility to the programmer, both procedure-oriented and object-oriented. Python language supports both procedure-oriented like C and Pascal and object-oriented like C++ and Java features. Hence, we can get benefits of both like security and reusability. Interpreted. We are not required to compile Python program explicitly. Internally, Python interpreter will take care of the compilation. If compilation plays interpreter raise syntax error, once compilation success, then PVM, Python Virtual Machine, is responsible to execute our course. Extensible. We can use other language programs in Python. The main advantages of this approach are we can use already existing legacy non-Python code. We can improve performance of the applications. Embedded. We can use Python program in any other programs that we can embed Python programs anywhere. Extensive library. Python as a rich inbuilt library. Being a program, we can use this library directly and we are not responsible to implement the functionality. Flavors of Python. CPython. It is the standard flavor of Python. It can use it to work with C language applications. Jython or JPython. It is for Java application. It can run on JVM. IronPython. It is for .NET platforms. PyPy. The main advantage of PyPy is performance will be improved because JIT compiler is available inside Python Virtual Machine. RubyPython for Ruby platforms. Anaconda Python. It is specially designed for large volume of data preprocessing. Python versions. Python first version introduced in Jan 1994. Second version introduced in October 2000. Python 3 introduced in December 2008. Note: Python won't provide backward compatibility of Python 2. That is, there is no guarantee that Python 2 programs will run in Python 3. Current versions: Python 3.8.8. Documentation released on 19 February 2021 for this version. Python installation for Anaconda users, just go to anaconda.com. We can install. Only for Python users, go to python.org. You can install the Python. I am explaining for Anaconda users. Just go to anaconda.com and you can find download options. It will for Windows, Mac and Linux users. For Windows, it will support 64-bit and 32-bit. Based on your system configurations, you can download the file, executable file, and you can execute. You can choose default options. Next, open the executable file, click on next, then next, next. Here you can change the path, otherwise you can use default. Next, in this slide, we have to add Anaconda 3 to my Python environment variable. Then install it. Then next it will finish it. After installation, you can open Anaconda and you can launch Spider and Jupyter. Thank you. Please like this video, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.